Jermaine, back with another video. This video we are going to unbox the NOPEET sunglasses. These sunglasses have a story. I was in the city, San Francisco, 2 months ago, and I'm cruising down the street, and I look over and I see this guy. He has the coolest sunglasses on, and it's not like I can ask him, yo, what kind of sunglasses? So I go to Google, and I type in, you know, futuristic, really cool looking sunglasses for sale. And I didn't find what I was looking for. And then randomly, just randomly, about a week ago, I was on Facebook, and I got an ad for the NOPEET or NOPEET sunglasses. And I was like, yeah, I definitely want those. I definitely want those. And the first pair I saw is the pair I got right here. The one I said, yo, I gotta have those. Like, I want those right now. Click, 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 boom. Bought it. I love it. These were $69.99, and they came all the way from Finland. Let's see how we open this here. Okay, so check this out. It says, "Dear motherfucker, yes, Jermaine, we're talking about you." Oh my gosh, this is just this really cute note that they've written. It's like a handwritten note. Very, very beautiful and unique. Oh my gosh. I think this is hilarious, yo. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything. Like, I just bought these off the internet. Like, nobody told me to make this video. And here we have the box here. I wish they had polarized glasses. If you're watching this from NOPEET, please make polarized glasses, because I'm a huge fan of polarized lenses. Okay. This is what we got going right now. Straight out the future, yo. Oh my gosh, those look crazy. There's like a sticker on the inside, so I'll have to take this off really fast. Oh, I'm dropping everything. And I'm picking everything up. Wow, this is really cool. This is really cool, guys. This is really cool. I can see into the future. Wow, the world looks beautiful. Wow, it looks beautiful, y'all. This is just straight out of the box here. Let's adjust them. They're adjustable. I'll pull these two down. They're very easy to pull. Inside looks like this. Also, there is a micro cleaning cuff, and this is fucking important. This lets you know how to change the nose here too. Let's see if the nose is okay for me. I think it's okay for me. Oh yeah, that's a much better fit. They're sitting back farther here. These are really cool, yo. Like, these are super. They come with this little bag, which won't really protect them from much. But apparently these are like really, really strong, so. Okay. Let's try now. Oh, they're ready to wear. Like, bottom line, just like this. They're cool, just like this. I wonder what I look like with these on, because I don't see myself like. This is the first time I put them on, you know, and this is a video, so I have to look at myself really fast. Oh wow, those look hot. They look hot. They look really cool. Okay, so this is my video, the NOPEET sunglasses. These are stellar, yeah. Yeah, they're definitely an essential now. Rock on. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow me. Go watch all my other videos. There's some pretty cool stuff on there. Peace out.